Time waits for no one, nor does it spare any era. Ages follow one another, people are born and die, and technologies that once seemed revolutionary become obsolete. In this continuous cycle of change, the world evolves dynamically. The most significant transformations began toward the end of the 20th century, markedly accelerating progress in various fields. Not only science and technology, but also society, politics, and culture have experienced unprecedented changes. One sector that has undergone extraordinary evolution is astronautics, witnessing increasingly ambitious space missions. Space probes, initially rudimentary instruments, have transformed into technologically advanced and sophisticated devices capable of collecting extraordinary data. However, even the most innovative missions and advanced probes cannot escape their inevitable end, underscoring how, despite our progress, we remain bound by the laws of time and nature. In this context, we will discuss Opportunity, one of the longest-lasting and most iconic Martian rovers, whose discoveries marked a pivotal chapter in the history of Mars exploration. In this video, we will explore its achievements, extraordinary technological and scientific capabilities, and what it observed on the Red Planet before its mission concluded. Opportunity was not just a machine, but a true witness to history, bringing back data that helped transform our understanding of Mars and its past. Opportunity was part of a pair of twin rovers sent to Mars as part of NASA's Mars Exploration Rover mission, launched in 2003. The rover, initially named MERB, had a twin, Spirit, which was sent to the opposite side of the planet. Unfortunately, Spirit had a less fortunate journey. After about 5 years of operations, Spirit became stuck in the Martian terrain, with broken wheels and solar panels covered in dust. It could not survive the Martian winter of 2009. No one could have imagined that Opportunity, also destined for an uncertain future, would live far longer than expected, surpassing all expectations. During its mission, Opportunity set a historic record for its time on Mars. Not only did it survive far longer than the originally planned 90 sols, Martian days, but it also traveled an impressive 45 kilometers across the Martian surface, an incredible achievement that made it the longest-lasting and most successful NASA rover sent to Mars. Initially, it was thought that Opportunity would operate for about 90 sols, but its mission extended to almost 5,500 sols, during which the rover continued to send extraordinary data and images. NASA had designed the rover to demonstrate to the world that Mars was once a planet rich in rivers, lakes, and seas, and Opportunity provided a definitive answer to this question. From its earliest days, Opportunity began sending extraordinary images, showcasing its landing area, Eagle Crater, a 22-meter-wide cavity. This crater was named Eagle in reference to golf terminology, where an eagle represents a success achieved in fewer moves than expected, symbolizing the successful landing of the rover. But what emerged from the initial image analysis was even more remarkable. Opportunity was not just on the surface of Mars. It had landed on a seabed that had once been part of a Martian ocean. The first observations suggested that the rocks and sediments being analyzed by the rover had likely been shaped by water and erosion. Additionally, the detection of a mineral called jarosite, discovered by Opportunity after drilling into a rock, confirmed the past presence of water on Mars. The rover continued to send images and data that reinforced the hypothesis that Mars was once a planet with abundant liquid water. One incredible discovery was that of small spherical formations nicknamed blueberries by scientists, measuring about 7 millimeters in diameter. On Earth, such formations occur in geothermal environments. Their presence on Mars was undeniable proof that, in the past, the planet had been warm and humid enough to support the formation of minerals similar to those found in hydrothermal environments on Earth. These blueberries, along with other findings, suggested that Meridiani Planum, where Eagle Crater is located, was once home to a vast body of water, such as a large lake or sea. One of the most significant milestones of Opportunity's mission was its exploration of Endurance Crater, a massive 130-meter-wide depression. Despite concerns that the rover might not be able to climb back out, the decision was made to send it into the crater. The risks proved unfounded, and Opportunity spent 6 months exploring the crater floor, uncovering even more evidence that Mars was once a much more hospitable planet than it is today. During this phase, the rover also discovered a meteorite called Heat Shield Rock, the first meteorite ever found on another planet, adding another piece to the puzzle of Mars' history. The mission continued with ongoing successes, despite challenges such as when Opportunity became stuck in a sand dune just 30 centimeters high. Although it seemed like a minor obstacle on Earth, on Mars, it became a significant issue. After 38 sols of attempts, NASA engineers finally freed the rover, allowing it to continue its exploration. Opportunity also survived numerous Martian dust storms. One particularly intense storm lasted 3 days and threatened the rover's critical functions. However, wind eventually cleared the dust from the solar panels, enabling the rover to continue its mission. In 2013, Opportunity reached Cape York, where it spent its 6th Martian winter. Afterward, it partially explored Marathon Valley, an area with mysterious geological formations. Opportunity's discoveries continued until 2018, when Mars was struck by an unprecedented planet-wide dust storm that enveloped the planet, blocking nearly all sunlight. This event marked the beginning of the end for the mission. The last signal from Opportunity was received after months of the storm covering the Martian surface with dust. NASA made numerous attempts to re-establish contact with the rover, but after months of failed efforts, the mission was officially declared over in February 2019. Having operated for 15 years, Opportunity provided invaluable scientific contributions, forever changing our understanding of Mars and its past. Not only scientists, but also millions of people worldwide who had followed the rover's progress with enthusiasm were deeply saddened by its end. However, Opportunity's legacy did not mark the conclusion of Martian exploration. New missions are being prepared, and perhaps one day, humans will walk on the surface of the red planet, carrying forward Opportunity's legacy. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos.